How to fix unable to find proxy server in Tor browser. If you see this error message, go to menu, click on options, scroll down to find network proxy, click on settings. In connection setting window, select manual proxy configuration. And source host type 127.0.0.1 and port type 9150. Check source version 5. Scroll down and click on the checkbox on proxy DNS when source v5. Click on OK to close this window. Close here, we open the Tor browser. Now we can check if we have internet. I hope this video was informative for you. Thanks for watching.